Hello, my name is Marcy Trudeau, and I'm the director of the Women's League for Better Lives. Today we're going to talk about the serious topic of abusive relationships and the connection it has to extreme and life-threatening conditions associated with physical and mental health. If this applies to you or someone you know, I'll have some resources to share with you later that will enable you, or someone you know, to become a healthier, better, happier person. Make sure you have something to take down an important phone number when we're done. Does this sound familiar? Remember when you met him? He was handsome and charming, had those dreamy eyes and a great sense of humor. He bought you expensive presents and took you exciting places. You dated for a while and decided to commit. I mean really commit to this relationship. Why not? He was the one. For the first few months were like heaven on earth. Then things started to change. Did he lose a job? Did he start drinking more or using illegal drugs? Did he start hanging out with new friends that were a bad influence on him? Then he became physically and emotionally abusive for what seemed like no reason at all. Nothing you ever did was right. He was angry all the time. He started telling you who you could and couldn't spend time with. He stopped buying you even simple things and never took you out, not that you wanted to spend time with him anyway. You wondered what you did wrong. Finally, you went to see the doctor because you weren't feeling well. The doctor heard a heart irregularity which he diagnosed to be the beginning of heart disease. The lab results showed your blood sugar and hemoglobin A1C to be through the roof. You have type 2 diabetes, he said. The doctor also noticed the circles under your eyes and asked how you were sleeping. You admitted, not well. He continued and asked when your last night of uninterrupted sleep was, and you confessed you couldn't remember. He noticed your weight had changed. You were eating too little or too much. He said he missed your dazzling smile, but you just looked at the floor and wouldn't make eye contact with him. His concern was becoming uncomfortable for you. You finally admitted you were depressed and felt hopeless, and now it appeared your health was in decline. With no place to go, you went back home, feeling things would never change, that this was how the rest of your life would be. Maybe helping yourself to his alcohol would be a way to make the pain go away. You even began thinking a life like this wasn't worth it. You had unhealthy thoughts of self-harm, or even suicide. Well, life is worth it. You're worth it. You just need to leave this abusive relationship and learn about the wide variety of resources here at the Women's League for Better Lives. Thanks for listening today, and please think about what I said. Call us at 559-438-0440 to learn how to manage and correct the health problems brought on by living in an abusive relationship. We cannot get you out, but we can get you better. Thanks, and I look forward to hearing from you.